Hello guys, I hope you all are doing very well. So let's begin with our Nifty 50 analysis. We will look at option chain, FII data, features and options. Okay, let's begin with our FII data. This FII, these guys are short. They reduce their short positions by 4,000. So yesterday was minus 1.8, but now it's minus 1.86. So they have reduced their position, like short positions. But on the other side, today they sold of barely like 160 crores, and on the other side, DII have bought 5,000 crores plus. So that's good for the market. Okay, let's look at our chart. This chart is actually, if you are intraday trader, then it's, and if you're an option trader, then please be aware that premiums are not moving anywhere because of the VIX. VIX is pretty low. I mean, VIX is 10.5, so it's pretty low. I mean, it's almost on the lowest side. So please make sure that whatever positions you have, it's properly hedged, because the movements are very volatile, sort of, and it's not going. I mean, if the prices are moving, then prices are moving very violently, but uh, most of the time it's not moving at all. So please uh, do hedging, proper hedging, if you are trading in option. So today's level is the lowest level of today is somewhere here, which is 24,920 almost, and the highest level was here, that's 25,032. So this is sort of a range, and if we go on an hourly chart, then yeah, we can see this trend line has been breached. This, no, I mean, it's sort of a trend line, I mean, before, but now, due to this gap up on sorry, this was on 10th. So yes, so because of the gap up, it's like it's breached, and now this is a bullish candle over here, but it's all fine. Okay, let's look at option chain. Option chain says 25,000 has maximum open interest on the call side and even on the put side. So, but put side has more open interest. That's around more 100k. So it's sort of bullish. But then also, if the market breaches, I mean, we have to wait until the market reaches this 25,000, today's highest level. So if the market breaches this, then our immediate resistance is gonna be this one, somewhere here. That's 25,080, some 80 plus, and next one gonna be here. That's 25,155 almost, right? And on the lower side, we have this gap, and okay, let me use this one, this gap, because we have like sort of a this candle, and then it can act as support, sort of, because of the orders over here, right? So this candle, and let's go over here. So support, it's 950, 900, all supports over here. So yeah, so it's, yeah, 900. Yep. So if the market breaches this, then we have, like, we can see good selling, but until this trend line is supportive. This is a channel, sort of a channel over here. So we can plot this as well. So let me delete this. So this channel is acting as a support. I mean, would act as a support. But if this breaches, this channel breaches this trend line on the lower side, then we can see good amount of selling. Maybe somewhat, if I use this and then another, sort of like, I mean, we can use this as well somewhere here, sort of, because this gonna be sorry, this is supportive. One more thing, guys. I mean, if you know about this US debt ceiling and everything, so debt is rising. So anytime anything can happen. So because I mean, but I mean, if you're long on the market, please be aware that anything. I mean, anything can happen, like on the lower side. I mean, and please do proper hedging before you go long on the market. So 24,650, 24,750, these are like levels. I mean, if the market reaches this trend line and then tries to go down, but we have to look at this option chain as well and open interest. So yeah, this is pretty much it, and then this is sort of a analysis for the coming week. Okay, if some of you trade in Bitcoin, then Bitcoin has breached this level, like this consolidation shot of a. I mean, this of course. I mean, this was very big candle, about like 1,000 point. No, actually, it's more than 1,000 points. It's 112 to 108. My God, 3,000 plus points over here. This candle. So and then it consolidated over here for a little while, and then today it breaches this small level over here. Okay, so that's 113,250, 260. So now it's trading above than this, so this could act as a support, and if the market uh, respect this support, then it can go much further. And it's trading at it's trading just right below 0.38 Fibonacci level. So yeah, this, I mean, if this breaches, then we can see upwards movements. And if this even the big event is coming in the US, which gonna be on Wednesday. I see on Wednesday it's this interest rate gonna be, so there's high probability that they're gonna reduce the interest rate. So we can see like movements, we can see volatility on Wednesday. That's on yeah, this one, federal funds rate. So yes, the forecast is about 4.25. So let's see how much they're gonna reduce the rate. So basis on that, we're gonna see its implementation or its uh, like effect on Thursday. So that's all, guys. I hope your trading session for tomorrow goes well. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.